If you're looking for the ultimate barbecue side dish, this Southern style baked bean is guaranteed to steal the show. It's loaded with Cajun and Dewey sausage, ground beef, bacon, plus that hickory barbecue sauce. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned and let's get into it. To begin, we're going to cook the bacon. You don't have to wait till your skillet is hot. Just add it in there. Now, I went ahead and diced up my bacon just so I can have them nice and small. The bacon is nice and crispy. As you guys can see, I'm going to remove it and set it aside. Now we're going to cook the sausage just to give it some color. Honestly, you really don't have to do it, but I like to go ahead and kind of brown my sausage a little bit. And as you guys can see, I kind of diced them up a little, very small. So every bite of that baked beans, you can have a piece of sausage, a piece of bacon, you know. Now I'm going to remove the sausage. As you guys can see, it is nice and golden brown. Now the excess fat, I'm going to drain it. We don't want this baked bean to be oily, so I'm going to drain it. Now I'm going to cook the ground beef. This is about a pound of ground beef. Just break it apart just like this. In that excess water, I like to get rid of it, as you guys can see. Just going to drain it. Now that I drained the excess water, I'm going in with my onion, bell peppers. Bell peppers make it nice and sweet and give it a nice flavor. Add that in there. And also to season, I'm going to use a little bit of my Island Vibe Everything seasoning, a little bit of chicken bouillon, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and ground black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Mix it all together. And also we're going in with some Worcestershire sauce. Yes, for more flavor. Let me tell you, after this, you'll never make baked beans any other way. I'm telling you. A little bit of soy sauce, not too much. Next, I'm going in with my brown sugar hickory baked beans by Bush's. I never use any other baked beans, always Bush's. I think they have the best baked beans out there. And now we're going in with some ketchup and mustard, yellow mustard. To take it up a notch, we're going to add in some barbecue sauce. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know this is going to be absolutely mouth-watering. Now it's time for me to add my sausage. Ooh, smells so good, smells so good. Of course, the bacon. This looks good, smells good. Oh man. And we're just gonna let this simmer. That's all we're gonna be doing, let it simmer. And now we're going to cover it, allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. Our baked beans is done, y'all. Let me tell you, it looks absolutely delicious. Doesn't this look just absolutely mouth-watering? Doesn't it look so delicious? Let me know in the comments, would you put ground beef in your baked beans? Let me know. Oof, oof, oof. Let me plate it for y'all. Looks so good. Then let's put a little bit of bacon on top. And there you have it. When I tell you this baked beans will be the best baked beans you'll ever make, just trust and believe. Let's try it. Oh my goodness. So hot. Once you try this, you'll never go back to regular baked beans. Absolutely not. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. Hopefully you try it out for your family. Comment down below, let me know, are you going to try this out? Have you ever add ground beef to your baked beans? Thanks so much. Be sure to subscribe if you're new here for more recipes like this one. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.